How often do you get the objection from your buyer or seller that, all agents do the same thing? We get that same question when agents interview us as a brokerage, right? Well, don't all brokerages do the same thing? They all say they have the best training. They all say they're going to make the most money. All those things. And most agents tell sellers, hey, I'm going to get you the most money with the least amount of time, right? So it's really hard for a buyer or seller to pick their agent because the agents are saying the same things, and it's really hard for an agent to pick their brokerage because a lot of those interviewers are saying the same thing. We're going to have to make the most money with the least amount of work, right? And yet it's really interesting how you go through and see who actually does, right? So I'll use an analogy to a buyer or seller here for this. So a common objection a seller is going to say is, well, don't all agents do the same thing? They all just put it on the MLS, right? Or you all have access to the same tools, you all do the same thing. So what I want to think about here, ask you to think about here for a second, right, is a sports analogy. So I love sports. I'm going to use golf as an example. Let's pretend everybody always knows who Tiger Woods is, right? One of the best golfers of all time, arguably the best golfer of all time, right? Let's say you give Tiger, a set of clubs, some shoes and a golf ball, and you give me a set of clubs, some shoes and a golf ball. Who's going to use those same tools better, right? Tiger Woods every single time. Why? It's not because of the tools. It's because he knows how to use the tools better. And that's the big difference when you're thinking about, you're talking to your sellers about hiring you, or you're looking for that brokerage. Who knows how to use those tools better? It's not always about the tools that people have access to. It's about knowing how to use them to the highest degree to be the most effective and deliver the highest amount of value.